Hello Minglaba and welcome back food lovers. Today I have a curry recipe for those of you that like curry but don't like it to be too spicy. It's Burmese chicken curry, and the brilliant thing about this recipe is its simplicity. The spices used are mainly ginger and turmeric, so it means that you don't have to spend ages making the curry paste. And what's more, this curry tastes amazing. So, are you excited to make this Burmese chicken curry? Then let's get cooking. Okay, so before we get into the list of ingredients, here's a shot of the final curry to whet your appetite. So these are the ingredients you're going to need for this recipe. 500 grams of chicken with the bones left in. 5 tablespoons of oil, that's about 30 milliliters. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. 1 medium onion chopped up. 500 milliliters of water or chicken stock. 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Some chopped coriander. And 3 potatoes cut up into bite-sized pieces. Begin by gently frying the onions, garlic and ginger until the onions become translucent. Add in the paprika and turmeric powder and stir in with the fried onions for about a minute. Add in the chicken and heat through until they become white on the outside and the temperature in the pan has risen again. Add in the stock or water and heat up again until it comes to a boil. Add in the fish sauce and potatoes and cook the curry with the lid on for about an hour. The method for cooking this curry is a traditional technique called see-peeyan, which literally means oil return. This happens when the curry is cooked for long enough for some of the water to evaporate away and for the oil to return, making the gravy thicker and richer. About 10 minutes before the end of cooking, add in the coriander leaves. This is a mild version of Burmese chicken curry. If you like yours to be more spicy, you can always add in some whole green chillies. So that's how you make Burmese chicken curry, or see-peeyan as it's called in Burmese. Serve it with some freshly cooked jasmine or long grain rice. If you like this recipe, you'll also like this recipe.